Hi, I'm a big bear.
B for big bear. Are you ready to learn the letter B? Let's get started. The sound of the letter B is like B, short and soft. It's the sound you make when you start to say words like banana, bear. Make sure to keep the sound crisp without adding a vowel like B instead of bar. Can you say B with me?
Ba, bear, ba, banana, ba, bird, ba, bed.
Great job. This is letter B, and this is letter B's sound. Ba. Now let's have some fun. Can you make the sound ba like a bear roaring? Let's try it together. Ba, roar. Great job, everyone. Can you think of anything else that starts with ba? Maybe B for bat or B for bug. Shout it out loud. Ba for bat. Ba for bug. Awesome job, everyone. What's the first sound you hear in these words?
Ba,
That's right, it's the sound. Ba. Great job. Now let's say them together.
bed, bird, banana, bear, bed, bird, banana, bear, bed, bird, banana, bear, bed, bird, banana, bear.
You did amazing. We learned the letter B, its sound, and some fun words. See you next time for another adventure. Keep practicing and having fun with your ABCs. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting learning adventures. Hit the bell icon to stay updated, and we'll see you next time. Keep shining!